If you need to replace the receipt paper in your Citizen S310 series point-of-sale printer, you're going to need a 3 1/8 inch wide by 230 foot long thermal paper roll. Now to replace the paper, you simply press this gray button to open up the back hatch. Take out your old roll. You'll see the end of roll warning stripe there. And drop in your new one. Now you want to make sure that you're placing it with the paper feeding under and not over. And that's because underneath is where the thermal side is, and that's the side that's going to image. So drop it in, pull out some paper, close it, and tear off the excess. And that is it. You are ready to roll. As always, if you have questions or if there's anything we can do for you, give us a call or visit us at POSsupply.com. We are your POS supply experts and always happy to help.